Nature's tangy treasure takes viewers on a zesty and informative journey into the world of green plums, exploring their tangy flavors, unique characteristics, and the surprising health benefits that make them a distinctive and nutritious fruit. The documentary begins by immersing viewers in the orchards where green plum trees flourish, showcasing the picturesque landscapes where these tangy treasures grow. Explore the history and cultural significance of green plums, celebrated for their tart elegance and unique flavor profile. Dive into the health benefits of green plums, starting with their role as a source of antioxidant zinc. Nutritionists discuss the abundance of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals in green plums, emphasizing their potential to combat oxidative stress and support overall cellular health. Explore the digestive benefits of green plums, forming a brilliance for digestive wellness. Nutrition experts highlight the fiber content of green plums, which aids in digestion, supports gut health, and contributes to a healthy digestive system. Delve into the immune-boosting properties of green plums, creating a tang for immune health. Experts discuss the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in green plums that contribute to immune system support, helping the body defend against infections and illnesses. Witness the culinary zest of green plums in the kitchen. Chefs and culinary experts demonstrate creative ways to incorporate green plums into various dishes, showcasing their unique tangy flavor and versatility in both sweet and savory recipes. Explore the skincare benefits of green plums, creating a burst for radiant skin. Dermatologists and experts discuss how the antioxidants and vitamins in green plums contribute to skin health, potentially reducing inflammation and promoting a healthy complexion.